Lum Jialang Deputy CM ya katanat DCA buat social welfare halor ke ST certificate. Usembut Menteri Rang Ba Prestun Ten Song haka khat khandai tarik jeliu. Ulalum Jialang ya katanat District Council Affairs buat ya katanat social welfare. Banyakran sani bah halor ke jing IST certificate, clan certificate buat tribe certificate. Habakram bekilap patai Khubor hadian ke Jialang Menteri katanat social welfare ba Polengdo. Ulayat hu kajing temu juga Sorkar kalong banwanra dakaan kabanlong salon sar habaro kilai autonomous district council kajela ka KHADC, JHADC but GHADC.
Though the meeting was held in the context of the issue of ST certificates and the relevance thereby to the Drainage Act 1997 passed by the KHADC. Today's meeting convened at the level of Deputy CM in charge DCA was held because we felt the need to have uniformity in our approach to the subject of issuance of ST tribe certificate, land certificate that should be broad-based and include the entire state of Meghalaya. So because the office memorandum issued by Social Welfare Department was confined to an act of the KHADC, we thought it prudent to make it more broad-based and include the other two district councils. So one of the ADCs, GHADC, is yet to frame its own act, Drainage Act, and in the case of Gar Hills GHADC, they are in the process of framing their act. So today's meeting decided that the next meeting will be taken at my level as chairman of the committee that would elicit and solicit the opinion of the three ADCs and also include the DCA department and the law department to study the suggestions and inputs from all the three ADCs so that we can come up with a notification or an OM that covers the issue of ST certificates for the entire state of Meghalaya.
When will be the next meeting?
We have just met today, so the next meeting will be after we receive in writing the proposed framework to be adopted by the two district councils, that is GHADC and GHADC. Once we receive their comments in writing, we will proceed accordingly.